Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So today I finally got my 15 Pro phone with the 256 gigabyte of storage and in silver, or you can say white titanium color, and it took a little bit of a lot of time to get delivered, so I got both of them 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. So today I'm going to unbox 15 Pro today, and let's go and see what sort of differences, or what are the differences between from the last time to now, from 14 Pro Max or 14 Pro to 15 Pro. So here is the phone, and I'm going to unbox this now. So I'm going to open it. Wow, that's really good. Apple launched 4 colors like white titanium, silver titanium, blue titanium. Silver, white titanium, blue titanium, natural titanium, and the black titanium. So according to my opinion, personally, what I like, the color I like is white titanium. I went to Apple Store, I personally looked into that. Natural titanium, no doubt digitally when you open the website it looks pretty good, but when you look at the phone like this in your hand, you will feel like white titanium and the blue titanium are the top first best colors to buy, according to my opinion. I'm not gonna say that the other ones are bad. No, other ones are also pretty good, but I really like the silver one. So let's go and turn it on. It came with Type C to Type C cable, which looks like in this time they put the kind of like fabric on it, and no SIM pin is going to be inside the booklet because the phone is totally eSIM, no SIM card slot inside the phone. So as you can see that the silver is really prominent on white color. If you will see the other colors, you won't see this kind of beauty. That's what I thought about it. So let's go and unwrap it. Nice slight curves I can feel on the screen, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to turn it on and see. There you go. And according to the screen size, I can tell that you can put the 14 Pro screen protector on 15 Pro. And let's just go and set up this phone. And for now I will just set up without any other device. I'm gonna put my password on. Let's gonna activate it. I'm setting it up for myself. I will set up Face ID later. I will add the passcode later. Don't use passcode. We'll transfer everything later. So I will set up Apple ID later. Agree. Continue. Disable. Okay. So it's asking for my phone number to transfer from my eSIM card, from the physical SIM card. So I'm gonna do this privately. I'll be right back. So I just bypassed that. We'll set up it later, but I'm gonna continue setting it up. So the silent mode thing is pretty much new. You need to hold this button to, you can see that now. You can hold this button to silent your phone. You can again hold this button to remove from the silent mode, and you can also customize it. Like if you click on customize, and let's say what other options you have, you can set it on focus. You can set it to camera if you want to turn on the camera from this button. You can turn on the torch from this button. Then you have a voice memo, you have a magnifier. These are the pretty much a good frequent use apps. You can set them as you want it. You can customize it later, but for now I'm gonna set it up as a silent mode and gonna continue. Emergency, welcome to iPhone 15 Pro. Just keep on asking for setup cellular. I will do that later sometime. So let's go to settings and see. I bought it for like 256 gigabyte, and you can see that over here. And the other thing I can look into this device and is totally an unlock phone. And you can pair your eSIM card anytime, and that's what you can update it anytime. Physically, phone looks good to me, and screen brightness is way brighter than iPhone 14 Pro. Camera is way better than 14 Pro, and you can see that I really like this color. I was not planning to buy this one, but when I saw it personally, I decided to take the decision on white. So that's pretty much it for with 15 Pro. I'm gonna make a video about 15 Pro Max 2 and unboxing. I hope you like this video. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, press the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.